So today we're talking about ratios. Ratios are comparisons of two numbers, and they can be written three different ways. They can be written using a semicolon, a fraction bar, or the word to, and each way that I read this is x to y, or x to y. So it's comparing two things, like, never mind, that'll mess you up. Put in simplest form, you're going to do it just like a fraction. So if I had 4 to 8 and I put it in lowest terms, I'd divide both by 4 and get an equivalent ratio of 1 to 2. So let's take a look at this quadrilateral. This quadrilateral has parallel sides, and it's asking me to write a ratio of the length of AB to the length of CD. Well, AB is parallel to 8, so that means it's going to be 8 as well, because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. And CD is 8. If I were to put this ratio in lowest terms, it would be 1 to 1, not one whole, because a ratio has to have two numbers in it. All right, so AB to BC would be 8 to 16, which is the same as 1 to 2. And AD to CD would be 16 to 8, which would be 2 to 1. Again, don't change it to a whole number. We need to have two parts in a ratio. All right, so sometimes you're going to have word problems. The measures of the acute angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2 to 3. Find their measures. Oh, my bad, this should have been right triangle. So the measures of the acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio of 2 to 3. So that means I have two angles that add up to 90 degrees, because it's the two acute that add up to 90, because that plus the other 90 is 180. Since they're in a ratio of 2 to 3, I don't know what my magic number is, but the ratio is 2 to 3. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x equals 90, x equals 18. Sorry, I was doing math there. So I know that one angle is 36 and the other angle is 54. And this ratio is 2 to 3.